Hey guys, it's Milky Terror back in a video. Today we're doing another Gorilla Tag video. So, I love Gorilla Tag. Really fun game. If you don't have this game downloaded already, I will try to put it in the description. Doesn't mean I will, but make sure you download it on Steam, Oculus. You cannot play this on keyboard and mouse. You cannot play this on keyboard and mouse. Because I had a friend that saw us playing Gorilla Tag and goes, "Can you play it on keyboard and mouse?" I said, "How would you do that?" And he goes, "Oh no, I'll find out a way." But listen, anyways, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Let's do this. Woo! Make sure I don't hit anything. Okay, let's do this, boys. I really wish I knew how to wall climb, but you know.
Put your hands diagonally on the wall and pull up. Quit keeping.
What?
By the way.
What?
Wait, will you teach me how to do this?
Well, we don't know how, so.
I am white.
Oh, I thought someone over here was telling you how to do it.
Be a tree god.
Who cares? So, you are not the tree god.
Gods, the tree god brothers.
So we have to leave.
You're not the tree god unless you climb the big tree.
I have, and I'll do it again.
I have climbed it. I'll do it right now. Without even touching it.
Yeah.
I'm a god yet.
Yeah,
I see white monkey
we're going
by
for
the
it.
Wee.
You just fell off the
Blue or
tree.
purple?
I know.
Where?
So there's white.
Hey, oh,
Purple
there's
and blue
a
monkey
huge-
left. There's white, purple, and blue monkey. Just to get us go.
Bop.
Still some monkeys.
Bop.
I'm confused. But for all you guys,
Where's white?
and I'm
I
gonna
saw white.
I ran.
Jump on the wall climb.
I ran, and I will never be shown around here again. You saucy monkeys.
Oh, wait. I was just learning how to do it. What? Yo, wait a second.
not like this. I tried to juke you. It's my fault.
I have climbed it. I am tree god.
You know what? I might not attack you since you are tree god. You guys have fun.
Cowards.
Oh, there's a blue monkey. Is he the one who went to hide?
I was kind of learning. On how to do this.
I feel like it's better with a non-lava monkey since the lava monkeys have a boost.
Now go. Be monkey. Be monkey.
I don't even know how to wall climb.
Go beyond. Monkey.
I can kind of do this.
Become tree god. And climb the trees.
Hey, how did he even get in there? Because I'm built different and I kind of am a hacker, so. Don't tell me.
You're not no hacker.
I don't think I've ever met a hacker.
A hacker not even being able to touch.
It's not a hacker. It's not a hacker. You know why it's not a hacker? Because all he does is just getting close to it, taking off his headset, resetting his boundary, and then he's in it. It's kind of that easy.
Oh, I touched his belly button. He's dead now. That belly button.
I've been
touches
dead. I'm a lava monkey. I think I burned to death by now.
Yeah,
No,
That's
lava
not what I
monkeys
did,
haven't-
by the way. I'm not a hacker. It's just like a way you can get it.
Yeah, then why did he say you were a hacker? See, you gotta work around the problems, you know what I mean?
yeah, because he wanted to be funny, even though that wasn't funny at all.
Well, here's the thing. People in Windows are actually kind of cool because that they can actually physically fit in that, and I can't even fit in a roller coaster. That's the thing.
Wait, you can't fit in a roller coaster?
No, because no, I can, but those things literally squeeze my intestines out of my mouth.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You're over there. They need to fix this.
I have a point. Am I the only one that knows that? that you feel like you're like skinny in real life, but roller coasters still squeeze you to
You know
death.
these hitboxes are messed up all the
Yes,
way, right?
yes, that is
Yeah, I
true.
know.
Oh God, lava monkey, please don't hurt me.
Barely
I'm
did.
I'm innocent. I'm
All
not
you did
guilty.
was touch me with the power of hentai.
He can't fit in a roller coaster. Leave him alone.
Yes, leave him alone. Leave me alone. Here's the thing,
Power of
but I'm
cyanide
actually
and
like,
hentai. And chloroform, you killed me.
lava monkey, please leave me alone. I'll spare you. I'll spare you if you spare me. If when I become lava monkey, I'll spare you. Deal?
You can get the tree next to me. Actually, never mind. That's my tree.
That's my tree also. I'm just the weed god.
Wait, I can jump up here. Oh, I am an idiot.
See everything now.
I was doing like a.
I can see.
I am weed god. You are weed
Now I
king.
cannot see.
No, not
He's not.
I'm not weed god. You're weed god. I'm monkey. I'm tree god. I'm
Oh, I'm kind of learning on how to do that.
behind, and you're tree king.
Me and White right here.
The purple monkey that was claiming he was the
What
tree
you doing
god.
there, White?
White took his hide. White, are you a weed? You are the tree king. I announced you as tree king.
Oh, he just looks past me. So now you can choose almost any tree.
Attach.
The purple monkey that I gave permission.
Get up to the wall, guys. It's kind of weird. Oh, we got three monkeys up on the tip of a tree. Oh, look out.
I am tree god. Get out of my tree.
Who cares?
Four monkeys on a tree. What we gonna
Did
do?
you know if you did you know that the Oculus menu with your
Dang it! I'm trying to learn how to do that.
will stick there? So
I don't know how to do it either. I'm just grilling around. I'm just trying to act like monkey.
I watch hentai every day.
Oh, yeah.
We can get the whole lobby.
Say what I want to hear. Say what I want to hear right now.
No, blue.
No, the other thing. Oh,
All I know, I saw a white monkey do this, so I'm learning how to do this.
Yeah.
I'm trying to monkey
Coming
good.
up, like, really fast. There's a brown monkey.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to learn how to get.
Ah,
trying to come up with this.
no,
I'm
Trying to learn how to
no, no, get away.
watching hentai.
Get away. Get
watching
away.
hentai.
Get away. Guys,
Guys,
I'm
I'm
coming back
fast.
up.
Oh, he can't do it.
Where's white monkey?
I came back.
I already tagged him.
No, you tagged me. I'm white monkey as well. Apparently, you can learn how to. Apparently, you can wall run like that.
There to not get anybody, bro.
And not to mention, he's super sad.
He just kind of went up at like.
Oh my god,
Yes.
what?
Yes. You are like I just because I am tree god. I am tree god. I made the trees protect you.
Everyone
Since I am
pissed off
tree
that
god,
monkey
I'm
tried to
manip-
get
I'm
us by going back on the
trees.
tree.
I can bend them at my
Make sure
will.
to know what comes up.
I fell.
Wait, someone climbing up the ladder?
Yup. Yes, they are. It's a
Hold
lava
on.
monkey too.
We got this lava. Get up here.
Gotta go!
He got me. Tree god is down. Tree god got down.
Wait a second.
Come revive me so we head southbound. Now you're gonna be in the Pleasant Park streets.
Wait a second.
Number 1 victory royale. Aqua monkey is gonna go down. Go down. I'm gonna kill him right now. Just wiped out him.
Light blue monkey. Light blue monkey, talk.
Aqua, now he's heading south dog. Oh, I just climbed up here. What
Light blue monkey.
You were like
I
after me and I
am
jumped and I just turned around.
God of the tree, Eve's Lord.
Light blue monkey.
Compared to me,
Oh,
Light blue
he's
monkey.
being compromised. If he try, then he will die.
oh really?
Not just
Oh
tag.
crap! I thought you didn't see me. I was looking behind me because I thought I heard
Guys, he
something.
went in the tree.
Where are you
You know
going?
that, right?
Yo,
Cannot escape.
Embedded in
somebody's doing someone's rainbow. I think.
I embedded
He's
in
not
you.
rainbow. He's pink.
I embedded in you.
Wait, why am I back here?
I'm hentai watching.
Guys, where's that bright blue monkey at? Where was the bright blue monkey?
He changed.
I spent most of my day. I spent all.
Hey, he changed colors.
It's the okay.
Yeah, I think he's the pink one.
Pink Monkey, I have a question.
Pink Monkey is now gone. Oh.
Hey bro, Red Monkey up there.
I know.
Oh, I see him.
Do you know somebody named Yo-Yo?
Rock climbing, dude.
It has to be quite obvious.
Just
right?
someone. Oh, what's up, Pink?
I'm like right there.
Actually, and he knows how to walk on it. Or ball runs.
No, I don't. I totally don't.
Just catch me at the places. I mean, I can kind of walk climb, but like wall run? No.
How do you bro, come down here and teach me how to wall climb.
Well, you can't ask me because I suck at it. I just did it randomly. Look, I suck at it.
It would be a shame if I knew how to do things.
Yo, who's making something? Who has a tractor in their house?
Everyone.
In your house? You have it in your house?
Yeah. It isn't a drive though. It's a baby. It's a baby tractor. Just running away or what? You have to use your hand to drive it though. What? Oh, bruh. I messed up my jump terribly. Oh, I punched myself. I like how I have a speed boost to everyone.
Come on, I got this.
That was
Bro,
too
I was
good,
chasing you for a good like.
I juked you like 3 or 4 times. My legs were shaking.
The Wiz.
What?
Do you know somebody named Yo-Yo?
Yo-Yo.
Or Johan?
Yeah, I like my.
Why?
Because I think I played a few yesterday if you were playing with him.
Oh, I don't know.
Yep.
I don't think I was playing yesterday.
It's so unfair.
Oh no, no.
And Pink's up there. What the heck?
Bro, how am I doing this?
I don't even know how people do it.
Bro,
How am I doing this either?
No, how am I doing this? How did I do that? That's the first time I've done that.
Hey guys, look at this. Ready?
Repeat it 10 times and we'll call you a wolf.
Boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Come on, I can do it. No, I can do it. No.
Draw.
You know, honestly,
Pink, don't
I'm
run.
gonna do that one time to practice wall running.
Purple Monkey's already over there.
Purple.
Oh yeah.
No!
You guys sound like Pinky Panda.
Hoya! Hoya!
You gotta do the Pinky Panda.
No, come on. Stay up. Stay up.
Wait. Red. Let me do the Pinky Pinch on you.
I wouldn't be standing down there.
What?
I'm gonna do the Pinky Pinch on
The
you.
what?
Pinky Panda. Come here.
Hoya! Why'd you tap me?
I love
Uh-oh.
it.
Can you move off, please?
You know what? I want to just casual, right? So there'll be less people in it. There's no
I wasn't trying to get you, I was just trying to learn how the wall run.
people trying.
You see me go
Did actually after the game, bro, you're flaming. I just got on.
Anyone there?
How do you wall run?
Fellow monkeys? Hey guys, is anyone good at this server? Because I really
No.
want to challenge.
Well, they're actually purple and white.
I like how he's saying, I really want a challenge.
Yeah, but I do.
Thanos is the best
Alright,
player.
wall
Like,
climb.
Just because his name is Thanos,
I don't know
he's
how
the
to.
best player.
I know
Then-
one place. I know one place though.
And win against you.
Or more.
He snaps his hands to
How do you wall climb that wall?
Candace.
It's so easy, my guy. You just wall hug and then that's it.
Oh, I'm sweating bullets, baby.
Told you. I don't really need a challenge.
Dude, you're so
That's easy. You just
There's a
walk.
guy.
My
There's
God.
a guy that you're not even a challenge to him.
Bro, that's the only way he probably knows how to do it.
No, I know other spots you want to see. Come follow me.
There's a guy in here that you're probably not even a challenge to him.
Pinch climbing. Yeah, the pinch climbing. He only knows how to do pinch climbing.
Yeah.
Bruh, I would get red, but I do not know how to walk.
How do you
on
walk
it.
on it? You on the branch.
Can you get
Oh,
over
that
here
was
real
pretty
quick?
good.
I don't know how to do that one, but I know how to do that one.
Bob, Bob, Bob.
Hey, Purple, I have something to tell you. I think my body has mutated. Get up there. I don't know how. I don't know what happened.
Oh, I'm doing it.
Exactly. I think I'm just gonna go.
Walk on over there. There's a walk on.
I want
What?
Come on.
Go back here, Pete.
Oh, I just did that.
I was doing it.
Pretty cool spectating sport.
Hey, yo, Pete.
Yo, purple. Behind you, purple. What's up?
I'm gonna go see if anybody's on like a random code. I'm just gonna type in a random code.
My name's
See if anybody's on there. Ready? Bob, Bob, Bob,
Candace died
Bob.
today. I died.
Bob. Bob. No. Wait. No. Nobody's on it. Wow, wow, wow. Bro, my cat. Okay. So, that's all. That's gonna be all for today's video, guys. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.